And then we're just going to go through the membrane between the two bones here. It's going to be tender.